All right, Hollet Maniacs out there. This week we're going to do some multiplication wrestling. Our first lesson is going to be review double digit versus single digit. So let's wrestle on these digits. All right, remember, the first time we multiply, we take the bottom number and we go to the up and then to the left, to the up, 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 and to the left. All right, so the first thing I want to do is multiply 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6. And it's going to help if you know your multiplication facts. It's just like when you're wrestling, you need to know your wrestling moves to be a good wrestler. Well, you need to know your multiplication facts to be good at multiplying. All right, so I am done multiplying with this number. I'm done wrestling him. I'm moving on to this number over here. All right, so now I need to go to the left. 6 times 4 is 24. There's no other numbers to multiply, so I just write that down. 24, my answer is 246. All right, let's take on some more opponents. All right, here we have 57 times 7. All right, so again, I go to the up and then to the left. 7 times 7. Isn't that a football one? Oh, that's right. 7 times 7. That's when you get touchdowns. That's the 49ers. 7 times 7 is 49. Now, I cannot write down 49 here. You're only allowed to put one digit at a time per place value unless it's the very last place value. So here I can't do that. So I write 7 times 7 is 49. You put down the 9 and you carry the 4. And I'm going to write a plus 4 next to it. You probably remember that. We put a plus 4 there, so I know I need to add 4 on to whatever this product is. All right, so I am done multiplying that 7. So now I'm going to wrestle this 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. And now I need to add 4 on to that. 35 plus 4 is 39. That gives me 399. All right. Now it's time for you guys to see if you can wrestle.